awesome. I've been reflecting back the last several years in order to kind of prepare me for writing my speech and just to see what God enabled me to do in the midst of it. And sometimes you think, I mean, I don't have a job, I'm not making really any money. So, a lot of times I think even for women, that's our identity, is what we do and what money we make. But that's not who our identity is. It's in Christ. It is literally in Christ, because what we do changes and comes and goes. That's not who we are. Who we are in Him is what's eternal. So but I still look back and saw, wow, look how much I did and overcame. And I still was dealing with all that pain and all that fight to get the kids. But I pressed forward. And I've been a little discouraged and down lately. And so it was a good thing for me to look back and remember that. So again, the signs in who you say I am, I'm going to show you today, is special, accepted, and supported. And then the last one's love, which you should know. So the word says, I am who you say I am chosen. So for chosen, I use the sign for special. You take your dominant hand, which is my right hand, and you grab your left pointer, or vice versa, and you pull it up. Special. Special. I am special. You are special. And because you're special, He chose you. So I'm chosen, I'm not forsaken, which means I'm accepted. I'm accepted. So I'm chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me. I use the word support. You support me. And in grief, which is the thrust of my story, it's not the only part of my story, is the grief that I've been going through and that I'm still working through. Trust me, I am. Is we need to be supported. We need to be supported. So you take your dominant hand, which is my right, and you make a fist with both hands, the S, actually it's an S, and you push up a little bit on that left hand, like you're supporting it. Come on, I'm supporting you. So it's support. And then love. So I'll do it real quick again. I am who you say I am. I am chosen or special, not forsaken, accepted, in the beloved. I am who you say I am. You are for me. If He's for us, He supports us. Again, this is my choice of words. Not against me. He's not against us because He loves us. So I like that we are doing the positive signs. So that's what I want to share with you.